Welcome to HQR. In this video, we will show you how to view public reporting. From the dashboard, go to the menu on the left side of your screen. Select Program Reporting. Select Public Reporting. You're now on the Measure Data page. To view data for a specific measure, scroll down to the measure categories. Select the plus button beside the categories to expand to see the measures or survey results. You can view past reporting periods by selecting the release date from the Release drop-down menu. To view your star ratings, navigate back to the tabs at the top of the page. Select the Star Ratings tab. You will be shown the star rating preview and summary score. You can view past reporting periods by selecting from the drop-down menu. Select the plus button to expand measure categories and view additional information. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.